What does Adobe Audition do? Let's find out in this video. So here I am. Well, Adobe Audition is it's a spoken word audio editor, and it's very, very good. It can mix multiple pieces of audio together and make them sound absolutely fantastic. So how does it work? Well, I can record my voice. Hello, this is me speaking into Adobe Audition. Look at my voice appearing as a waveform and all those beautiful frequencies mapped out in the heat map below. When I have done that, I can make edits to my Adobe Audition. Look at my voice appearing as a waveform and all those beautiful frequencies mapped out in the heat map below. So I could actually cut out that bit if I don't want it there. Delete Adobe Audition in the heat map below. You see, and I can undo things really quickly. So it's like a word processor for audio, really. I've got the waveform here and I'm ready to work with it. But not only that, I can mix in multiple effects. I can open what's called a multi-track. I'll call it mix, and I can bring in that recording right there, drop it onto track 1. Then I can go to my media browser, find some sound effects and drop in a lovely beep there. Let's drop it in, paste it, and there you go. Now, hello, this is me speaking into a... I can mix multiple things together. I can even go ahead and grab a little bit of music there. So let's go and grab some music and mix that underneath. Country and folk. Hello, this is me speaking into Adobe Audition. And I can mix multiple clips together. Obviously, I can then synchronize them in volume so that one is not louder than the other by matching the clip loudness. Hello, this is me speaking into Adobe Audition. Look at my voice appearing as a waveform and all those beautiful frequencies mapped out in the heat map below. So that sounds great. Now, if I want, I can actually look at the frequencies in my voice, in particular, any noise that may be occurring at the start. Adobe Audition has world-class noise reduction. There should be no noise here when I'm not speaking. I can go into effects. I can use noise reduction and restoration. Process here, noise reduction process, capture a print of my noise, and then run it on all my noise, increase the noise reduction percentage, click apply, and it's going to remove most of the noise from before my speech. So that's pretty good, particularly if you've got noisy audio. This is world class at removing it. In fact, it's got a ton of effects here, not only to record and mix audio, but also you can use a sound remover. You can take out hiss, clicks and pops. You can move out phase that's incorrect. You can move out de-reverb, so you can take echo away, take hums away. Really, Adobe Audition is very, very good at noise removal. So it's a spoken word audio editor, music mixer, and it's got world-class noise reduction features. I think you're really going to like it, and if you've got any questions, let me know in the comments down below. And hey, if you've watched this far, then you must really like Audition. Watch the next video to find out exactly why I've been using this software for over 20 years.